We'll guide you through how to use Microsoft PowerToys to remap buttons. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to customize their keyboard layout or make frequently used keys easier to access. Start by looking at your computer's main desktop screen and take a moment to make sure everything is fully loaded before continuing. Carefully scan the desktop until you locate the PowerToys shortcut icon. Once you find it, move your mouse cursor directly over the icon and double-click the left mouse button to open the program. After you double-click, the main PowerToys window will appear on your screen. Wait a few seconds while the application finishes loading completely. When the loading process is done, the PowerToys dashboard will open automatically. Look toward the panel on the left side of the window and find the section called Input and Output. Click on it to expand the available options. Next, select Keyboard Manager from the menu. You will now arrive at the Keyboard Manager page. At the top of the page, check the Enable Keyboard Manager toggle and make sure it is switched on before continuing. Once it is enabled, look below the toggle and you will see two buttons labeled Remap a Key and Remap a Shortcut. Since you want to change a single keyboard button, click on Remap a Key. A new Unified Keyboard Manager Editor window will appear on your screen. In the left column labeled Key, click the plus icon at the bottom left corner to create a new remap row. A blank row will appear. Click the Select button on the left side, and a pop-up window for selecting a keyboard key will open. Press the key you want to remap, such as the keypad number 0 key. The selected key will appear in the left box. Now click the Select button on the right side and press the key you want it to become, such as keypad number 1. Confirm both keys are correct, then press OK or Apply in the top right corner. Finally, open Notepad and press 0 to confirm it now types 1. If the remap works every time you press the keypad 0 key, your computer will recognize it as keypad 1 until you return to Manager and remove or change the setting.